A counterfeit day of worship, Sunday in light of the Bible. The greatest deceptions are the ones wrapped in light. They look holy. They sound religious. They even quote scripture. But at their core, they are lies. And today, millions bow every week to a lie. A deception so widespread that even pastors, priests, and religious scholars defend it with blind zeal. It's the worship of Sunday, the first day of the week, a counterfeit day of worship that stands in direct opposition to the commandments of God. This isn't just about a day. This is about obedience, truth, and who you serve. What the Bible actually says. Let's not beat around the burning bush. Exodus 28:11 thunders from Sinai. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. Not Sunday. Saturday. Not the first day. The seventh day. God blessed it. God hallowed it. God called it his holy day. Isaiah 58:13. Nowhere, absolutely nowhere, in all of Scripture does God change the Sabbath. Jesus didn't, the apostles didn't, the early church didn't, but someone did. Who changed the day? History exposes the truth. The Roman Catholic Church proudly claims the Church transferred the obligation from the seventh day to the first. The Convert's Catechism of Catholic Doctrine. Another Catholic source declares, Sunday is our mark of authority. The Church is above the Bible. Catholic Record, September 1, 1923. Did you catch that? They admit the change. They boast of it. And shockingly, the Protestant world follows along, claiming sola scriptura while worshipping on a day that has zero biblical command. The Protestant Reformation stopped short. They protested indulgences but kept the Catholic Sunday. And now, this man-made tradition is defended with the very Bible it contradicts. Exposing the counterfeit. Let's put it plainly. Sunday worship is not the Lord's day. It is the beast's counterfeit, a substitute for God's true Sabbath, created not by the Word, but by the whore of Babylon. Revelation 13 and 14 are not vague. A crisis of worship is coming, and the dividing line is the commandments of God. If you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. But what does the world say? If you love convenience, keep Sunday. If you love tradition, ignore the Sabbath. God calls it rebellion. Her priests have violated my law and have hid their eyes from my Sabbaths, and I am profaned among them. Ezekiel 22:26. The final test of worship. Revelation 14:12 reveals the faithful. Here is the patience of the saints. Here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Not the commandments of the Vatican, not the preferences of the Protestant majority, but God's holy law, including the Seventh-Day Sabbath. Soon, Sunday laws will be enforced in the name of peace and unity. The world will follow, churches will applaud, but God's remnant will stand, alone if necessary, on the foundation of truth. Will you? Final challenge to the viewer. Are you worshipping on a day God never blessed? Are you honoring a command God never gave? Because in the final judgment, tradition will not save you. Only truth will. Sunday is a counterfeit. The Sabbath is the seal. Choose wisely. Eternity is watching.